Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Learner's Paradise. This is Molloy. Today I am going to show you one of the beautiful creations of God. They are the ornaments of nature. Every day I open my eyes with their chirping and singing. So I think by now you all have come to know. But yes, they're the birds. My day starts with their singing and chirping. Sometimes, maybe on Sunday or any other day when I do not have any other work or tuition, I just wake up a little late. I sleep on. And on that very day, what they do, as I say, stay in the first floor. So they have a specific time. They go there. They knock at the windows with the beaks. That means they are just waking me up that they are feeling hungry. So every day in the morning after getting up, my day starts just by feeding them with biscuit or cake crumbs. And I keep water in a container beside that. They have that. And it started with just 5 to 6 birds. I used to give them biscuits. But day by day, the number increased. And now it's if I can't tell you the exact number, but I'm sure that it's not less than 150. Yes, it is. And 12 to 13 species of birds come every day. They come in the morning, they have biscuit or cake crumbs, and they go away. And they stay on the trees around my house all day. And the birds like Indian myna, sparrow, dove, cuckoo, then what else? Woodpecker, and even 80 to 20 squirrels also come. And it starts in the morning and it continues until evening, early evening. They have all these and they stay here and they sing merrily. And it lifts my heart. It lifts my heart. And they sing so beautifully. It's really so mesmerizing. And I am exhaled by joy with their singing. And sometimes when I feel very sad, when I'm not in good mood, I just look at them. They are coming and going. They always keep coming and going. So I just look at them and I try to find solace. And I'm really happy because they come to my house. They stay here, they enjoy. And I consider it the blessing of God, because without His blessing, it's not at all possible. So I request my viewers, please share this video with your friends, relatives, and acquaintances. Just give them a chance to see how many birds come to my house. And those who are new to my channel, those who haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I request you all, please subscribe to my channel, watch my video, learn spoken English, and someday definitely you'll be a proficient English speaker. So thank you so much for watching my video.